Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by powering the Galaxy Bud Pro and putting them in pairing mode. This engages the Bud's BLE and makes them discoverable. Once done, open iPhone settings and tap Bluetooth so the phone can scan. You should see the Buds Pro appear as a device. Tap to connect and accept any permission prompts, microphone for calls and notifications for controls, because without these, the Buds can't route audio or use touch gestures reliably. Make sure Bluetooth is active and the Buds have charge. After pairing, install the Samsung Wearable app so you can access advanced features that iOS won't expose by default. You'll sign in if prompted, then grant the app necessary permissions. This enables firmware updates and customization. Once inside, set touch controls to actions you prefer and fine-tune active noise canceling and ambient sound, because these directly affect call clarity and situational awareness. Also adjust the equalizer for tonal balance. Small changes can. To finish, confirm firmware is current so compatibility and battery optimizations are applied. The wearable app will prompt updates and you should install them. Do a quick call and media test. Play music, take a call, and test controls to ensure everything routes correctly. If audio cuts or connection is flaky, toggle Bluetooth on the iPhone, reconnect, and if needed, reset the Buds by placing them in the case and holding the touch sensors for a factory reset. That reset fixes most stubborn pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.